Hello, welcome to lesson 8. In this lesson, I shall be implementing rules for the Estate Association app. Before I actually go ahead and implement the rules, so I've prepared a table that contains the list of rules for the Estate Association app. So we have the administrator rule. So this administrator rule is going to have full control over all estate data, users, and financials. Then we have executive committee member rule. So a member of the executive committee will be able to view estate information, review financials, and participate in decision making. We have the security officer rule. The security officer rule will be able to log and manage visitors, report incidents, and manage gate entries. Then we have the resident rule. The resident rule will be able to view personal details, pay dues, submit complaints, and register visitors. Then we have the accountant rule. The accountant rule will be able to record and manage financial transactions and generate financial reports. We have the maintenance officer rule. The maintenance officer rule will be able to manage maintenance tasks and requests, as well as logging completed work. We have the visitor rule. Now, this visitor rule will be able to register upon entry, provide contact details. We have the auditor rule. So we have the auditor rule will be able to review financial records and generate audit reports. Then we have super admin rule. Super admin, we have high level oversight of all estates and system-wide administration. Now I'm renaming this visitor rule to anonymous because they will not be able to, they don't have to log in before they register. So I'm calling this anonymous stroke visitor rule. Alright, now that I've provided you with the overview of the rules we have in the application, I will now go ahead and create the rules. So we are back to Management Studio. I'm going to click the Run button. I'm going to pause the video until the app has loaded in the browser. So now the app is displayed once again. I'm going to log in with the development credentials of admin as username and admin as password. So I click login. So in order to implement the rules, I'll click the sidebar here, then I'll click on rules. So the first list rule we want to create is administrator. So I'll click add administrator. The second rule is executive committee. So I'll click executive committee. The next role is security officer. See, security officer. The next role is resident. The next role is accountant. The next role is maintenance officer. The next role is anonymous. We are not going to create this role because it's simply a user that is not logged in. The next role is auditor. The last but not the least role is super admin. So let's click add. So thank you for watching.